Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to enable location services in iPhone. Let's start. So for those who are not familiar, like what location services is for, it's actually designed to protect your information and enable you to choose on what you share. And I it is highly recommended as well to enable location sharing because there's a feature in Apple, in case you lost it or in case your phone is stolen, there's like a find my app feature, or find your phone, wherein it allows you to share, it will share where your current location of your iPhone is. And then you will never know when you would have this missing or something. So at least when you have your location sharing turned on, it would be easier for you to locate your device. So there. So how we're gonna do that, first things first, just go to your settings. Okay, so when you go to settings, select the option there that says privacy. If you click on that, it will lead you to privacy page, and what you need to do next is just click on location services. So see, it's defaulted to off. I defaulted it to off for the time being just for tutorial purposes, but just swipe it on and then you could see the changes, guys. We're in. It allows you to these are actually location based apps. Sometimes it's easier for you to do something on your app if you're able to turn this on. But if you would like to turn it off, and then you can also do that, then you can see the changes. It would automatically clean up as well in terms of share your location. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to our channel, hit on like if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.